In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do 6 sealings and 4 closings. 6 sealings and 4 closings is the 4th movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which means old frame first routine. So let's get into the video. Hi, welcome back to Center Life Balance. My name's Colin and this channel is about sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Nothing, in my opinion, is better for spiritual well-being, physical well-being and mental well-being than practicing Tai Chi and practicing it daily. In this video, we're covering the Lao Jia Yi Lu form movement, 6 sealings and 4 closings, which is the 4th movement in the 74 movement form. So let's get into the training. So beginning at the end of the previous movement. So the weight is all the way onto the right leg. You've got your left heel, right heels are on the same line. Palm facing outwards, left hand on the left hip. So the first movement is we're going to turn a little bit to the right. So we're going to turn like this and we're going to bring the left hand forward. So turning, bringing the left hand forward, turn. Then we're going to change the hands here. Now we're going to shift the weight all the way to the left. From here we're going to again change the hands. And now we're going to shift the weight all the way back to the right. And then we're going to bring the left foot in. So bringing the left foot in to be on the toes, press out. So again, from here, turn, changing weight, turn, changing weight, bring the foot in, press out. Let's take a look at the movement now at normal speed. Let's now look at the 2 movements together, tying the coat, followed by 6 sealings and 4 closings. That concludes this movement, guys. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do single whip. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.